Hello, my name is Christine Cairo. Our group project is on artificial intelligence. This is our home page. I created the website through Google Sites and the subpages so that everything looked uniform. I put the types of AI here, and I created the resources page, and this has our references on from the home page. And the people in my group are Caitlin Marassa, who is doing AI in toys, Cole Smith, who's doing AI in business, and Mark Edris, who is doing AI in medicine. I created these links and to the pages, and we're going to go to my page, which is Artificial Intelligence in Agricultural Culture, basically farming. And I have embedded links here and here for some good reading that adds on to what I have typed here. Picture here, picture of networked farm. To get a closer look and to see that, you can just click on it and it opens up. And you can see that. Down here I have a video, Blue River Technologies, their See and Spray machine. See and Spray machine is eliminating the use of a lot of herbicides that farmers spray. Page 2 is Farming Continued with Big Data and Predictive Analytics. Came across a bunch of good articles, and they are right here. It's a lot of content to put in for this, so if you want to continue reading on about it, I just wanted to add those. Here's my references for the second page, and my references for the first page. We go back to our home page, and we have our resources. This is our references for each individual page and the home page. And the team, we put this in here as a little bonus, so just a little picture added for us, each of us individually, our topic and our names and a picture. And that is our website.